आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
It is given in the question that focal distance of an end of a minor axis of an ellipse is k. So focal distance of end of minor axis is equal to k, and the distance between the foci is equal to twice of h. Then we have to find the equation of our ellipse. Now the basic concept says that if the equation of the ellipse is of format x square plus y square plus x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1, then we can say that the coordinates of the minor axis are minus b comma 0 and b comma 0, and we can also say that the coordinates of the focus are ae comma 0 and minus ae comma 0. So this is the basic concept, right? Now next is we have to use the concept that the distance between the foci is 2h. So the distance between these 2 points ae comma 0 and minus ae, this is minus ae comma 0, is equal to 2h. So this is minus ae comma 0. Now the distance between the 2 points is 2ae. This is given as 2h. So we can write the value of ae as h. This is our first equation. Now the first equation says that end of minor axis is distant at k with the focus. So we can say that distance between the focus and the minor axis is equals to k. So the distance between these 2 points is equal to k. So we can write under root of ae square plus b square is equals to k. And if we put the value of ae as h in this equation, so we obtain h square plus b square is equals to k square. So b square becomes equals to k square minus h square. Now we know that it is the property of an ellipse that e is equals to 1 minus b square upon a square, e square, right? So we are going to use this concept. So if we square this equation both the sides, then we obtain a square e square is equals to h square, and a square remains as it is. E square is 1 minus b square by a square, and this is h square, right? So now we have to solve this equation. So this equation becomes 1 minus b square upon a square is equals to h square upon a square. And if we solve this further, so this becomes 1 is equals to b square plus h square upon a square, or we can say that a square becomes equals to b square plus h square. So the equation of our ellipse becomes x square upon a square is replaced by b square plus h square, and y square upon b square is replaced by k square minus h square. Now this is b square plus h square, and now we know the value of b square as k square minus h square. So this becomes k square minus h square plus h square. So a square becomes equals to k square. So we have to write k square instead of b square plus h square, right? So this is k square. Now this becomes equal to 1.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।